Okay, so Mary, you're in Pirate Ship. To print that scan form I was talking about, you're just going to click End of Day. This will be at the when you're completely done with all your labels, you click End of Day and then Print Scan Form. So see if this has the date of the 28th. You print your scan form. It comes on here. This is the one document, and all they have to do is scan one barcode. Now to schedule your pickups, at the very top, you're just going to hit schedule pickup. You will go to request pickup in the top right hand corner, USPS. You can put here, front door, back door, side door, other. Then you can put, on front porch, um, whatever directions you want. This will be how many priority. A lot of times we just have first class. You can just estimate the weight, does not need to be specific. Request pickup, and that's it. As long as you do that by midnight the night before, the post office gets it, and you should be, it'll be there. So yeah, anyway, that's it. Hope that helps.